Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install and set up a VPN on Apollo TV. For this tutorial, we will use Surfshark VPN. Surfshark is fast, easy to use, and works very well on devices like Fire Stick and Android TV, which are commonly used for Apollo TV. If you do not have Surfshark yet, you can use the link in the description below to try it at a great price. Now let's begin with the installation process. First, turn on your device and make sure it is connected to the internet. Go to the home screen. If you are using a Fire Stick, navigate to the Find option and then click on Search. If you are using Android TV, open the Google Play Store from the home screen and type in Surfshark. You'll see the Surfshark VPN appear in the list. Click on it, then click on the Surfshark icon under Apps and Games and select Download. It will only take a few seconds to download and install the app on your Fire Stick. Once it's installed, open the Surfshark app and you'll see options to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password. If you don't, you can use the link in the description to get Surfshark at a discount before logging in. After you log in, the app may ask for permission to set up VPN configurations. Just click OK to allow it. Now you'll see the Surfshark home screen with a large Connect button. You can press it to connect to the fastest available server right away, or you can scroll through the list to choose a specific country if you want to access content from a particular location. Once connected, your IP address will change and your internet traffic will be encrypted. This means the VPN is active and protecting your connection. Now that Surfshark is connected, you can open Apollo TV. Go back to your home screen and launch the Apollo TV app as you normally would. The VPN will continue running in the background while you use Apollo TV. If you ever want to change your server location, simply go back to the Surfshark app, disconnect, choose a new country, and connect again. Then return to Apollo TV. That's it. You now know how to download, install, and set up Surfshark VPN on Apollo TV step by step. If you want to get started with Surfshark, remember to use the link in the description below to try it at a great price.